Do you know you can actually make money online? Yeah, that's right. And all you need is just a computer or phone with internet access. So, in this video, I'm going to show you 4 websites where you can actually start making some side income. Is not that amazing? Number 1. Upwork.com. This is a website for freelancers. The businesses or individual will post service on Upwork that they would like to outsource, such as article writing, video editing, apps development, coding, and so on. The beauty of all this is it has a low barriers of entry. You just have to be good at something. If there is some things that you are good at, maybe graphic design or coding or just about any skill, head over to Upwork and start making some money. Here's a tip if you are considering working on Upwork. Have a robust profile that looks good. This will drastically increase your likelihood of ever receiving a job offer from potential clients. Displaying your best work or highlighting specific experience can and will help you to stand out. Number 2. Shutterstock.com. This is a platform where you can buy or sell digital media, such as pictures, video clips, and music, which mainly created by freelancers and third parties. So, if you are particularly good at photography, taking amazing pictures, or really good at making video, you can monetize your talents on Shutterstock. The way you make money with Shutterstock is every time someone purchases one of your pictures, you will get paid a commission, usually a couple cents to a few dollars if you are lucky. The trick to make a lot of money with Shutterstock is to consistently keep uploading high quality images or pictures. Number 3. Fiverr.com. It is a simple and easy site to start making money. Basically, it is a freelancer website where you can literally outsource anything, such as YouTube banner, poster, logo design, and so on. There are so many ways to make money on Fiverr. Just to name a few, you can do animation, logo design, packaging design, YouTube banner design, and so on. Here's a tip if you are considering working on Fiverr. You can go to a website called canva.com, which provide you a platform to create your own design for free. You can create poster, Instagram post, YouTube banner, logo, and infographic in this website for free. After you create, you can sell it for others in Fiverr. So head over and check it out, Fiverr. Number 4. Scribely.com. This is a website offering an opportunity for you to earn money by just transcribing an audio file for them. In other words, you need to be listening to the audio file and typing it out as accurately as possible. You just need to go through a test process and get certified as a transcriber. Once certified, you will be paid for the file that you transcribe on an audio hours basis. In order to get certified, you need to have some requirements as well. You need to have good comprehensions of English, ability to interpret conversation, ability to apply context and identify mistake, a verified PayPal account, internet connection, headphone headset, the last version of Firefox, Chrome or Safari web browser. Alright guys, this is our video today. I hope that these 4 websites can help you a lot during MCO. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, please subscribe us, click like on this video and share it to your friend. Hey, don't forget to view our next video. We will teach you why and how to start social media marketing. If you desire to see our next video on time, open the bell to get notification. Bye bye.